FIFINE K688.
Alright, so
Unboxing time. So now we are done with the unboxing, and before we proceed, I'm just gonna put a label down here on the other side if I'm using an EQ or the mic is raw, so you would know what this microphone sounds like with and without EQ. The sound quality, of course, is the biggest pro for me. Knowing the price is just around 4,000 pesos or $80, that's a big factor instead of getting the more expensive one. So yeah, with its price point, it is a great choice of dynamic microphone, especially for podcasts. So that's it again. God bless. Stay safe. Peace.